Hello students, how are you doing? Welcome to EPG Pathshala. I am Dr. Ramesh Chandra Devrat from Indian Institute of Tourism and Travel Management, Gwalior. Today, we are going to study the module Nature Interpretation under the paper Tour Guiding Essentials. We bring this course to you as a part of ePathshala initiative by the Ministry of Human Resource Development, Government of India, to make postgraduate education accessible to all. Discussions during the previous module has led to a solid foundation in the terms of our understanding the underlying concept in deciphering how to develop good interpretation skills. In this module, we take up another important discussion on nature interpretation. We will straight away begin with the concept of nature interpretation. In this module, we will also discuss about understanding nature interpretation to the tour guide and how nature interpretations can be done by a tour guide. An important discussion that merits attention is the responsibilities of a nature guide. This will be the last part of our discussion in this module. Tourists derive new energy to rework on their everyday life after they complete a tour. They improve on their energy level after being out in nature, under the sunshine, in the rains, with the wildlife and more. However, to achieve these refreshments, they need to have a planned trip. They need to travel when the climatic conditions are just right for their travel. Nature interpretation is more than just a translation of events, people and natural habitat of a particular place. It is about feeling informed about your responsibility and limitations in the destination. With the right interpretation, you will learn what you can do and what you cannot do in a particular place. Considering the natural climatic conditions and other opportunities and facilities offered in the place, nature interpretations allows you to be able to forecast on the amount of time you can usefully spend in a specific destination. If you should be able to enjoy a specific tourist destination, appropriate infrastructure to suit your holiday requirement should be in place. You need to have appropriate transportation facilities. There needs to be appropriate communications and safety mechanism in the place for the travelers. In short, nature interpretation provides you with all the information that you will need to have a happy trip that is free from danger and disappointments. Nature interpretation is about helping someone make the right sense about a place. Not all people who see something in a tourist destination will be able to make sense out of what they are seeing. It takes help from a well-informed tour guide to help tourists to make the right sense out of what they see and experience in a tourist destination. Nature interpretations can be defined as communicating knowledge and evoking feelings relating to nature and cultural landscape. Students, quality nature interpretation will help with easy management of the tour group. This will help with sustainable maintenance of the destination. The natural resources of the place will be thus preserved for the next generation of tourists. The number of safe visits will be improved. In a guided tour setting, nature interpretations refer to explanation provided by the tour guides in order to help the tourist understand the destination in a better manner. This is indeed an educational activity. Good quality nature interpretation will help one improve on responsible tourism while preserving and fulfilling the positive interest of the tourist. A seasoned tour guide will be able to provide authentic nature interpretations for every destination like forest, ocean, backwater, lake, pond, forest reserve, site, sculptures in the museums and lot more. The purpose of nature interpretation differs from one place to another. In protected and reserved sites, the context of the interpretation will be mainly about how to protect the site. In entertainment centers, the interpretation will be about how to behave in different settings. The main aim of nature interpretation is to provide tourists with the appropriate interpretation to suit their educational, spiritual, or entertainment purpose of visit. Nature interpretation reinstates the importance of maintaining the quality of water, air, and soil in any destination. Tourists will be able to understand the relationship with the place in a positive manner. They will be educated to maintain a neat place, thereby making the place usable for the next generation of tourists. With good nature interpretation, the visiting tourist will develop a kind of positive emotional attachment with the place. Nature interpretation answers many questions like whether it will rain or not rain today, will it be too hot today, will there be a strong wind today, and lot more. Students, let's talk about why nature interpretation is important. Most of the tourists who visit with any place have a fine liking for the preservation of nature and are in most cases proud of dealing with anything that starts with nature and relates to preserving nature. Such tourists have an inherent curiosity to understand about every small and big detail about nature. They love nature interpretation because it helps them to understand the wealth of information about the natural resources of a specific destination, appreciate the beauty and value provided by nature, take the required steps to protect and preserve the natural resources of a specific place. Plan a mountain trekking session considering the height of mountains and other climatic factors that should be favorable for organizing trekking sessions. Plan every tourist context by considering the natural favorability and lack of favorability in a particular place to suit the tourist context. Plan the agenda for eating considering the availability and known availability of restaurants and hotels in the places of visit. Understand the nature of the local community to eventually be prepared to deal with them in a way they do not feel offended. Professional grade tour guides provide nature interpretation to suit efficient tourism standards by helping the tourist understand their rights and limitations in a tourist destination. This further helps with leaving the land usable for tourist purpose with the same authenticity for future visitors. They get educated enough to use the tourist destinations in the best way possible. We will now discuss on how should a tourist guide provide nature interpretation in tour guiding. The purpose of visit is different for different tour groups. The tour guide should take the purpose of the visit for each tour group into consideration when providing the nature interpretation. While the nature interpretation for the destination is pretty standard, the tour guide should consider the age and aim of the visitors into consideration when providing the nature interpretation services. The information provided to a particular tourist in the nature interpretation process should include the interest and purpose of visit of the tourist. If the tourist is on a trip for adventure, then the nature interpretation should be mixed and delivered with facts related to adventure. Similarly, for those who are on a cook and eat trip, information related to authentic local recipes will be appealing. The different purpose of the visit like shopping, spiritual visit, scuba diving, ice skating should be considered, and the nature interpretation should be delivered interestingly. Ecotour guides have a vital role to play in fostering positive visitor attitudes towards protection and conservation of such environments. Tour guides, environmental knowledge, communications, and facilitating the development of visitor knowledge, attitudes and behavior, as well as in enhancing visitors' environment and satisfaction is necessary during nature interpretation process. Students, nature interpretation should be provided for essential facts related to a tourist destination, some of which are theme parks, national parks, UNESCO park, protected site, flora interpretation, fauna interpretation, ecology interpretation, geology interpretation, topography interpretation, nature reserve, nature trails, zoos, safari parks, bird sanctuary, and many more. As we know, the national park is maintained by the government with the tax money of the public to ensure environment for the citizen. These parks also provide the future generation with the required inspiration to preserve nature and its element. These parks are mainly meant to provide for the outdoor entertainment requirements of people. Nature interpretation for a national park will have interpretation about the entertainment factors, fauna, interpretation of flora, interpretation, explanation about cleanliness, and more depending upon what is being offered in that site. Nature interpretation is best done when it is in the language of tourist. In some cases, it becomes important for the tour guide to have an area specific license or professional membership to help with the tour guiding process. Professionally recognized tour guides will be able to provide with the most authentic interpretation for a specific tourist site. The most customized interpretation will be made by the tour guides who interact on a regular basis with the visitor. Also, having a clear idea about the individual nature of the tourist is important in the nature interpretation process. Professional grade tour guides not only provide the best quality nature interpretation, but they follow high quality ethics by working in compliance with the codes of practice laid down by the profession. They provide with lot of value added services. Such guides eventually earn repeat business and referral business by virtue of their interpretation and interpersonal behavioral skill. The tour guide will help the visitors make a clear differentiation between myths, legends, traditions, and actual facts of a tourist site. They ensure they are preserving the reputation of the tourist destination by delivering authentic information. They build their profession on the basis of real facts. The sentiments and traditions of the local community should be respected. With changing trends in a specific tourist destination, the nature interpretation context should be upgraded to suit the demands and latest trends of the local community. Students, the tour guide should have creative skills to communicate efficiently with tourists with varying expectations. A very common attitude of tourists who are here for mountaineering is that they would prefer to risk the climbing despite the odds. The tour guide should tactfully help the mountaineers understand the difference between practical risk taking and blind confidence. The tour guide should provide the tour group with the required information related to the right timing and climate for mountaineering. They need to advise the team about the different aspects of mountaineering. This becomes easier if the tour guide has special qualifications for guiding tracking teams. They need to be able to provide the tour group with excellent information about the weather. Area specific expert tour guides will have knowledge about the entire mountaineering process. They will be able to best guide the process by providing with essential information related to reading the map, dealing with rope work, choosing the ideal footwear types to wear, deciding on energetic food types, carrying clean water, using water economically, establishing an emergency shelter, having a first aid kit and in place, and more. The guide should also guide the team about local sentiments. It becomes important to follow the ethics of the local temples and holy place during the venture. The adventure tourist should be taught about honoring the do not pluck flowers, do not take photograph and other essential rules and regulations in the destination. The choices in the mountaineering adventures are many. They can go for events like kayaking, skiing, running, trekking, river rafting, climbing the rocks and more. The nature interpretation should be done to suit the requirements and interests of each of these activities. It is interesting to note that similar activities will have different interpretation patterns in different destinations. Wild safari tour guides are exciting and thrilling options that require authentic and interesting nature interpretation. In fact, those who love adventure are too curious and will want to know a lot about the facts relating to the places they are visiting with. They want to have exhaustive information about their choices. They will want to know more about the most suitable travel situations and the parameters applicable for safety, the methods available for booking trips and lot more. They will want to know about wild ranges, activity choices like wildlife sanctuaries, national parks and reserve sites to watch tigers, white elephants, rhinoceros and many more. Safari enthusiasts are here all the way through have a glimpse of the different animals, whether it be a camel, cheetah, lion, hippopotamus, giraffe, crocodile or any animal that can have a look at. The next in the line of tourists who will want to have nature interpretations are the water lovers. They simply love water bodies, whether it is about the beaches, backwaters, waterfall, rivers, holy rivers, dams or even a well. They love water. They will want to have appropriate nature interpretation to go about water activities. Apart from that, there are lots of additional qualifications that will be required by the tour guide. It is going to work best if they have been professionally trained to help with facts like first aid training, certification in mountain guiding, basic of survival, driving license, driver's license, multilinguistic skills, area specific license, reserve site guiding license and lot more. As with anything, customization is important with any kind of tour guiding process or nature interpretation process to help with appropriate perception in the minds of the visitors. Students, specialist guiding such as natural, history or mountaineering require years of experience and build up knowledge for good guiding practice. Practical skills can be passed on. Example, how to coil a rope or walking to reduce stress by guiding is more than that. The first goal of nature interpretation is to provide a safe trip to the tour group. They accomplish it by helping with the following activities. The activities planned for the trip should be something doable by the members. Therefore, the tour guide into consideration the age and health conditions of the members in the tour group. The tour guide will be licensed and insured for professional liability, specifically more so if they are guiding risky and adventurous tours. They need to have additional liabilities worked out during this situation. The tour guide ensures that the member of the tour group are insured. It is not easy to predict when a professional liability or personal liability event might happen in an unknown tourist setting. If they are going on an adventure trip, they need to have a plan of action for the activities. They need to be prepared with the season and activity specific clothing along with other accessory equipment they might need during the tour. A clear guidance about the favorable or unfavorable weather conditions should be taken into consideration. The ideal climate to suit the activity type should be selected. If the tourists are traveling to reserve sites, the tour guide should inform the respective authorities about the number of people who are traveling. They need to provide with an estimated return time. In case where there is an unforeseen delay, then the authorities might choose to search for the tour group. It is very important to keep informed about the estimated time of return to people who are responsible to keep track of the travel activities. The tour group should be provided with maps, permits, tickets, keys, first aid pouch, something sweet for instant energy, water, and more. The visitors need to be trained about how they need to behave in an emergency. If any member of the group has allergies and if they are not vaccinated or if they are to take any medication, the tour guide should be made aware of it. If there are children, it can get difficult for the tour guide to take complete care. The guide should transfer the special caretaking responsibility for the child or senior citizens or those who are challenged in physical health to appropriate guardians and caretakers. In many trips, it has been noted that people get new equipment, shoes and clothes for the travel. Some new stuff are not good right away. If they are such, then they need to be carefully while walking, running and trekking with their new shoes. If they are going into the forest, if the regular route does not work well, the tour guide should learn about alternate routes to return. Activities and events should be planned to keep the team happy during the trip. The visitor should be warned against litter and cutting trees. If they are cooking, they need to be warned about being careful enough to avoid fire breakouts. They need to carry away non-biodegradable and other waste items away with them after the trip. The visitor should be warned against plucking flowers and plants, taking photographs, etc. as and where prohibited. The tour guide should plan everything from start to stop. The time to be spent in each location should be carefully planned. Students, let's have a look on the responsibility of a nature guide. The first one is to make connections between tourist, local community and environment. The second one is ensuring less or no harm to the environment. Third one is helps tourists in learning and enjoying cultural diversity. Fourth one is structure abundant activities, and the last one is design suitable route. As we know, not all travel situations are the same. The tour guide providing nature interpretation for any travel context should be concerned about providing the safe travel situation information to the tourist. When providing the interpretation, the tour guide should provide the interpretation considering the age, food habits and other interests of the tour group. Now we will discuss that what does a nature guide do. The first one is meeting and greeting members of their tour. Second is being enthusiastic and helpful at all the times. Third is dealing with inquiries and complaints from their tour groups. Fourth is making sure that tour group members are comfortable and safe. Fifth is being able to deal calmly with emergencies, example heart attack, car accident, etc. Sixth is making themselves available to their group at all times, that's 24/7. And the last is keeping up to date with information which would make their tour more interesting, like weather. Now students, till now you must have had an idea about nature interpretation. The nature interpretation process should be true and meaningful. It should be understandable by the tourist group and it should suit the interest of the tourist. Insurance and emergency management skills are crucial. Whether during the nature interpretation process or otherwise, some tourists can be too interruptive. They can get too distracting. The tour guide should find a polite way to deal with such clients. Every visitor should be taught about the responsibilities and limitations in the tourist destination. It has been statistically seen that outdoor journeys that run longer than 2 days tends to lead accidents. This is probably because people are off routine and get to become out of control. Therefore, if accidents are to be avoided, it is best to plan trips that are smaller than 2 days. If the trip will be longer, then the plan of action should be meticulously done, taking into consideration the rest and fatigue level of travelers. Nature interpretation helps with making sustainable tourism a possibility. It can encourages responsible tourism. In the next session, we will talk about heritage interpretation. Thank you and happy learning.